Hello, we are DI
Why?
team. My name is Pakama. My nickname is Tan.
My name is Rawan. My nickname is Yok.
My name is Sarawut. My nickname is Up.
My name is Pensuda. My nickname is. Welcome to the 10 question and answer. Ready?
Yes. Let's go.
Me, I am a student in Rayong Technical College. My name is Pensuda and my friend. We will ask the comprehension of the moment. May I interview you for around 10 minutes, please, to practice my English. What's your name?
My name is Bernard Hampson.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United Kingdom, from England.
English.
When did you arrive in Thailand?
I arrived in Thailand in 2014. What's your favorite Thai food? What's my favorite Thai food? Pakapao Mu Kop.
ผัดกะเพราหมูกรอบโอ้
อร่อย Yummy. What language can you speak?
English.
English one language
What is the weather like in your country?
This year it's been very hot, but normally it's about, in the summer, 72 degrees, in winter below freezing cold, ice and snow.
I like snow. Very cool.
We went skiing for the first time this year. We went to France skiing.
Okay, thank you very much for help.
You're very welcome. Hope your tests go well.
What is your name?
My name is Dieter.
Where are you from?
I'm from Austria. You know Austria?
Yeah.
Not Australia, Austria.
Austria.
Vienna. You know Vienna?
Vienna
Vienna.
Yeah.
Mozart. Salzburg, you know?
Cyprus.
Salzburg.
Yes.
Mozart. Vienna, you know Vienna? Vienna.
Vienna.
No.
I know Cyprus.
You know what?
Cyprus.
You know Italy.
Yeah.
You know Switzerland.
Yeah.
You know German.
Yeah.
And in the middle is Austria, you know?
Yeah.
And the big city from Austria is Vienna. Okay?
Okay
When did you live in Thailand?
I live in Thailand for 1 month.
1 month.
1 month, yes, with my wife. But now my wife not here. She go to visit her parents in Korat.
Yeah.
Understand me?
Yeah. Okay. What's your favorite Thai food?
Oh. Maybe a little bit fish and a little bit gung.
Oh, gung. Okay. What do you think of the Thai culture?
Oh, it's a very good culture. It's okay because they don't fighting. It's okay, yes.
How often do you come to Thailand?
I come 20 years
20 years.
every year.
Oh.
20 years before I come to Thailand, and then every year for 1 month
For travel. Yes.
for make holiday.
Oh.
I have a house near Sungtonpu.
Oh
My wife and I have a house here.
Okay. Thank you very much for your help.
What's your name?
Anita Chris
Where are you from?
Austria
What's
language can you speak?
English, Thai, German,
Four language. Oh. What do you think of Thai country? Thai culture.
it's very beautiful, hot,
Very hot. How often do you come to Thailand?
1 month.
Do you often no. Do you like to take photo? What is the weather like in your country?